All right, folks, Sam from YOUCANIC here, and something interesting has just come up. So when I go to turn my vehicle on, first thing you'll notice, it doesn't start. Key fob battery's low. Well, not a problem. We know we can hold the key fob up to the ignition, press the ignition with that. And anyways, I got every light on except for the, tachometer, so the engine is not starting. I'm getting warnings for the sound system, the airbag system, steering system, everything. I got a flashing check engine light. I got a transmission light. Just about everything is on. Some other things you want to take note of, right? If you get a condition like this, right? This is a very common thing with a vehicle, is if you get a condition like this, right? Take note of a couple of things. So for instance, when I press on the brake pedal, watch the dash lights very closely. Did you see just a little flicker? You may not have on the camera, but they are dimming just an ever so slight amount. All right. Also, oh man, everything is off. Also, if I attempt to turn on my headlights, I get nothing but a little dimming of the dash lights. Well, that's interesting. So I'm getting a whole lot of nothing, except the only lights working apparently is every warning light in the vehicle. Not a problem. If you see this, a lot of modern vehicles can experience this condition if you've drained the battery. So what you want to do is go ahead and attempt to jump start this vehicle, or just go ahead and replace the battery if you have the ability to do so. So come on with me. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the old Jumpstart 9000, and we're going to see if we can get this thing to function for us. All right, folks. We're back here. We've got our YOUCANIC jump starter here, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing going. If you want to see more detailed instructions on using this thing, I have a video just for it, but you guys are going to get the, we'll just say kind of fast version here tonight. We'll go ahead and get our cables hooked up here. There we are. Go ahead and plug into our box. Ah, look at that. The vehicle comes alive. Alright, folks. Now, wouldn't you know it? We put a little juice to the battery, magically everything fires up. The reason you got all those warning lights is all of your control modules were getting a substandard voltage, probably getting between 11 and 11.5 volts. If that happens, none of those modules are working, and it will start flashing and warning all the codes to everything and shutting everything down. Because everything in this vehicle that's electronic requires a very specific voltage, and that includes the steering, folks. It will disable everything once that battery falls below a certain voltage. So, if you're like a certain knucklehead that I know, and you may or may not have left one of the doors open all night and that pesky interior dome light drains your battery, you can see all those warning lights just like I did. So, if you see them, you want to start right there with your battery. That's more than likely what you have going on. Hope you found this helpful.